What's up, everyone? Welcome to 3 Minute Crypto. This is Mike with btcandcrypto.com. Come check us out on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, you name it, we're on it. Oh. And these are the top crypto news stories for the day. So, the Fear and Greed Index is at 37, which we wanted about 95. So, that sucks. And this is just all bad right here, which we talk about BRICS constantly. But dollar trade between China and Russia has been trending toward zero, with the BRICS meeting starting next week. So the green is US, and that's just going to nothing. And then you can see the red is just going to the moon. And Uzbekistan, if I said that right, allows 2 banks to issue crypto payment cards. Isn't that interesting? And yeah, who doesn't know this by now? Congressman Brad Sherman admits the government prints money out of thin air. Yeah, no duh. So if you don't know the story of how the U.S. gets its money, go to btcandcrypto.com. On the first page, it has a mission statement. Below that, there's videos. Watch the videos on all that good stuff. There's a bunch of videos on how the Fed prints money. And yeah, this is, common sense. What goes up must come down. What goes down must come up. All that good stuff. I mean, if you aren't aware, the market just doesn't go up, 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 and no down. It goes up and then down, and up and then down, and up and then down. That's how it works. And here is proof of that. Look at that is how, that's exactly what Bitcoin has done since it's been created. And you can see this down here is us right now. So I'm going to do a close-up. So if you don't know what this is the halving tracker, and you can see that we're 1,195 days after the halving. So the halving is less than a year away. And this is a close-up. I don't like looking at the yellow because the yellow is just an average of here and here. So of course it's going to be between it because it's the average. But we are down here at the bottom currently. So this is us down here, okay? And then you can see we're still lower than what we should be, okay? But you can see it's very similar. So you want to look at the purple, the green, and the blue. And we're the blue right now. And this is actually about 3 hours away now. Yeah, so Bitcoin's about 6 hours away from closing fully below the bull market support band for the first time since early January. Again, it's about 3 hours away. And anyone who knows anything about how Bitcoin works, which is what I just showed you, we have a bull run for 2.5 years, and then we have a bear for about 18 months, So saying that we're going to have all-time highs coming up, yeah, no kidding. So that's kind of how it works there. And this is him right here, by the way, Dave the Wave. And we're not in a bear market any longer. We are no longer in the bear market. We are at the beginning of the bull run. Hello, McFlies. Hello. And what is a scam that's so normalized that we don't even realize it's a scam anymore? Yeah, the US dollar, for sure. And Bitcoin fixes it. And apparently it's cartoon day. So, vulture capitalists, yeah, the whole incident on Maui, here's some shady stuff going on there, but that's pretty much how that is right there. And yeah, this is proof right here, what I was just saying. Up and down and up and down and up and down. We talk about this all the time. There's a 17, there's a 21, and then now, same pattern just keeps repeating. Now, of course, it's not exact, but it always rhymes. And yeah, I agree with Pomp on this one. The growth of the Starlink satellite network over the last few years is absolutely cuckoo. Look at that. And we talked about this the other day, and people just keep bringing it up. So the SEC is reportedly considering approving multiple applications for Ether futures. So again, we don't care. We don't give a crap about the futures. We only care about spots. And yeah, so Lord Jim O'Neill, the British economist credited with coming up with the acronym BRIC, calls the proposed BRICS currency ridiculous. It's not ridiculous. It's kicking our ass, and it's going to kick the UK's ass, and they're going to have a gold-backed currency, digital, and it's going to whoop that ass. So America needs to remove its head from its rectum and get in the goddamn game. You know what I'm saying? And what's going on here? So, hacker behind the 570 million, that's 570 million exploit, gets manually liquidated for 52 million. You're about 540 million short there, buddy. or even more than that. But yeah, so, he needs to get manually liquidated for all of that, don't you think? And man, all you Bitcoin miners out there, it might be time to move to Lebanon. Check that out. Holy moly, it costs $260 to mine one Bitcoin in Lebanon, 383 times cheaper than in Italy, where it costs $208,000 to mine one Bitcoin. Hello. And there's no surprise here. You know, these guys just say stuff and don't do stuff. So in January, Logan Paul announced a $1.5 million plan to compensate investors after his crypto NFT project, Crypto Zoo, reportedly rug pulled. 8 months later, no money has been returned. No surprise there. Not a shock. And why are CBDCs bad? Right here. So this lady made this video. She's in China. Says her dad and brother got her a new phone or something like that. And so she wasn't able to buy food. It's just absolutely ridiculous. And that's the power that CBDCs have. Central bank digital currencies. They can turn them on and turn them off at will. You bought too much beer this week. Guess what? You can't buy any more beer. You know, you're not allowed to buy what you want. This lady can't even buy food. It's unbelievable. Okay, and Bitcoin is in a pancake pattern right now, just going straight sideways. No volume, no nothing, just flat. Smash up that like button. Come check us out, btcandcrypto.com, and I will see you tomorrow. Can I get a bowl?